So people want to know, what do I do if I'm in an accident? The first thing, stay calm. It's not easy and people can be in shock, but stay calm and you'll be okay. Number two, make sure you and your passengers are okay and not hurt or injured. If you have any question at all, don't be afraid to call an ambulance. You may not know right away if you're injured, and the adrenaline rush that comes from being in shock can cover up pain sometimes. So make sure you're not afraid to call an ambulance if you have any serious concerns, or make sure that you get yourself to a quick care or to a hospital that's close if you have any questions about being hurt or being injured. Third, call the police. Don't be afraid to call the police. They will respond. They will be interviewing witnesses. They will be assigning fault at the accident scene and citing the person that caused the accident. So it's absolutely crucial you get the police there. Call. Don't be afraid to wait. Don't let the other person talk you out of waiting. Make sure that you wait for the police to show up. And fourth, exchange information. Make sure that you get a copy of their driver's license. You can give them a copy of yours. Get insurance information from them so you know which insurance company is going to be responsible for covering this accident for you. And it's a great idea to get pictures, if you can, with a cell phone camera or whatever you've got, pictures of the auto accident, pictures of your car, their car, any accident parts of your cars that are laying on the roadway. Super vital, can really make a big difference in an auto accident case. Number six, don't admit fault. Make sure that if you're discussing things with the driver, you're not admitting anything, and if they want to admit fault, that's okay. But it's really not a great idea to talk about whose fault it was, or if you're feeling bad for the accident, even though you know you didn't cause it. Number seven, write down what happened. It's a great idea to make sure that you get handwritten notes, especially at the time of the accident or right after, to make sure that you can remember who said what traffic looked like, what weather conditions were like, any of the things that occur to you that might be important to remember, or anything that was odd about the accident. It's a great idea to make sure you write those things down. Number eight, report the accident to your insurance company. Don't be afraid to do that. You're probably under responsibility by the terms of the insurance agreement to let your insurance company know you're in an accident. But as long as the accident wasn't your fault, they're not going to punish you. They're not going to take it out on you. And as a matter of fact, they need to let you know what kind of coverage you've got. And that's important. You need to know if you've got med pay, underinsured motorists, if you've got rental, if you've got comp collision. Those are things you need to know, and the adjuster, when you call your insurance company, needs to be able to provide that information for you. Number nine, avoid social media. Don't post things on media, especially with regard to injuries or things that activities you might be involved with after the accident. If you're going hiking, if you're going climbing, skiing. The insurance companies are savvy enough now that they'll search the internet, they'll search social media to see if the people making a claim for neck pain or back injury or shoulder or hip injury are out doing activities. And if you are, then they'll find it. So just stay off social media and be careful with what you post. The last thing, number 10, give me a call so I can start helping you out right away. The sooner you call after an accident, the better. As a matter of fact, I've had some clients that will call from the accident scene, and I can start helping right away, kind of direct you towards what you should be doing, what you shouldn't be doing. You can call me directly, 702-538-5761, and let me know what's going on. I can help you out right away. Again, my phone number is 702-538-5761. You can also find me on the web at www.weber-lawfirm.com.